Still on the Zanu PF Constitution, do you know that the party constitution says that the president and the new members of the Central Committee must be elected by Congress? Sarabina Mashkobreta Panapana Matinyarare, does Zanu PF Constitution still apply? Why is it not being followed? But go subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Zanu PF is only going to pick a new president at Congress next year in 2027 in preparation for 2028 elections. And in such a scenario, people should nominate other names to succeed President Mnangagwa since he is not eligible for a third term. So how come we already have a resolution that is not ratified by Congress, making way for President Mnangagwa to go until 2030? Who has elected him President and First Secretary for Zanu PF between 2027 and 2032. The Central Committee has seen a number of new members being co-opted into the Central Committee. How was this achievable, considering that a Congress has not elected these people? As a disclaimer, many of these people have been the funders of Zanu PF, hence their co-option is seen as axiomatic by many. However, is financial contribution the only consideration for Congress to vote for Central Committee members? And should Congress be stripped of its rights and mandate because of the status of those co-opted? Yet Zanu PF aims and objectives speak to equality of all members. This is in addition to the fact I raised yesterday that the resolution to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term doesn't come from Congress, and as such, that resolution is practically non-existent at law until enunciated at Congress next year. So it's clear that the culture of impunity has become pervasive in the party since President Mnangagwa took over. Where does this leave Zanu PF, and what's its future if it can wantonly be controlled by money rather than culture, custom, and rules? What does this culture do to the national ethos if the ruling party brings this impunity, immorality, and institutional decay into national government? Doma developments ambato kwa na matinya rapina kwa section medu za fure ejmat kuti pamsoro attendance items on subscribe or like channel on the bell icon.